The 2012 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, anti-lock braking system, dual front airbags, four-wheel ABS, remote vehicle start, alloy wheels, cruise control, keyless entry, automatic stability control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, power door locks, fog lamps, child safety locks, security system, power windows, dual zone climate control, leather, memorized settings for 2 drivers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.